Hi students, now we are going to discuss answers for the previous examination. First question, which pair is different from others? Given options are sodium, potassium. Sodium and potassium belong to same group. Calcium and magnesium also same group. Third option, lithium, magnesium. Lithium belong to first group, magnesium belong to second group. Fourth option, boron and aluminium. Boron and aluminium also belong to same group. Here, when compared with other pair, the correct different one is third one, because lithium and magnesium belong to different groups, leftover pairs are same group. So, third option is considered as a different from others. Next, see this question, very simplest one. Which of the element having atomic number given cannot be accommodated in the present set of modern periodic table? Everyone well noted point, present set of periodic table contain total 7 periods. 7 periods capacity, maximum 120 elements only. So here given option 109, 118, 120 and 125. If the atomic number of an element is 125, that cannot be accommodated in present set of periodic table. Now, see the question number 3. Which of the following process do not involve in absorption of energy? Absorption of energy means endothermic reaction. Here electron added to neutral gaseous atom. Here second option also electron added to neutral gaseous atom. In third option electron added to neutral gaseous isolate atom. Remember the definition of electron affinity. The amount of energy releases when electron is added to neutral gaseous atom. In all these three options, we added electron to neutral gaseous atom. Hence, energy will release. So here, these three options are indicating energy releasing, not observing. So do not involve absorption of energy. So all these three reactions, energy is not observing. The correct answer is fourth one, all answers, right? Next, see this one, question number 4. Which one pair of atoms or ions will have same configuration? Means we can consider similar number of electrons are said to be isoelectronic configuration. Different ions contain same number of electron, it's said to be isoelectronic species. Here F plus and Ne. F plus means 8 electrons and neon means 10 electrons. In second option Li plus means 2 electron. He minus does not exist, but here given option He minus means 3 electron. Third option sodium 11 electron, potassium 19 electron. Fourth option Cl minus, nothing but 1 electron gained. 17 atomic number, 1 electron gained. 18 electrons. And argon also atomic number 18. Here Cl minus and argon shows similar electronic configuration. So the correct answer is fourth one. Next, question number 5. The elements of same group of the periodic table have. This is the basic concept. Whatever elements present in the periodic table, elements having similar valency shell configuration are placed in one group. So same group elements in the periodic table have what? Same number of protons, same valency electron, same electron affinity, same physical properties. Different elements present in one group definitely have what? Same number of valency electrons. So the correct answer is second one. Next, question number 6. an element with atomic number 13 placed in which group and which period? Atomic number 13. 13th element is what? 13th element is what? Aluminium. Configuration is what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Here outer energy is what? Third energy. So that is what? Third energy means third period. And outer energy contain what? 2 plus 1, 3 electrons, valency electrons. How many? 3. So which group? Third A group. Atomic number 13 belong to third group, third period. So the correct option is second one. See the question number 7. Which of the following is smallest in size? Which of the following is smallest in size? Just see the concept. Here two questions. X minus 2, x minus 3. This is neutral atom. This is anion. 1 unit negative charge, 2 units negative charge, 3 units. Different ions contain same number of electron. In anions, charge increases, size increases. Here, X is smaller size, X minus 3 is larger size. Similar way, X plus 2, X plus 3. These are what? Cations. On cation is always larger than, cation is always smaller than their parents atom. On cation, charge increases, size will decrease. Here, X is what? Larger in size, X plus 3 is smaller in size. These two questions understood. Now you can see this option you will get. Which of the following is the smallest in size? Answer is what? C minus 4 10 electrons, N minus 3 10 electron, O minus 2 also 10 electron, F minus as what? 10 electron. Here this is the greater size, this is the smaller size. Similar way, question number 8. Which of the following is largest in size? Al plus 2, Al plus 3. This is the cation concept. Al is larger. Whenever on cation, charge increases, size decreases. So for this question, correct option is what? First one. See the question number 9. Which of the following has high electron affinity? In general, 7th group elements are exhibits high electron affinity. Everyone expects high electronegative element exhibit high electron affinity. Based on that concept, expecting answer is what? Fluorine, but correct answer is chlorine. Highest electron affinity element is chlorine. Highest electronegativity element is fluorine. Question number 10. Which of the following has high electropositivity? In total periodic table, first group elements are highly electropositive. In any group from top to bottom, electropositive character increases. So based on that concept, general important one, most of the times repeated in competitive examination. Which of the following element easily forms cation? Answer is cesium. Which of the following is highly electropositive element is cesium. Okay, for this question, correct answer is what? Cesium. Okay.